Hello again, UrbexDoc here. Hope you're all having a good day. We're on part 2 of the car cave. Some hills to walk up though. See if we can locate it on this one. See in a moment. As you can see, with the team again, this is round 2. We found the top of the car cave and we managed to go through miles of caves and mine tunnels last time, if you watched the other video, but we just couldn't find this bit. Whole car down there, just buried in the mud. Oh, there's a hard hat down there. Might use it. Let's get to the actual car bit. That there is the very top of where all the cars are. See the old car stashed in there as well. Yes. Have a look at this thing. I've just noticed my torch is on, so done all sorts there. Look, got TVs all up there. Look, video players. We're meant to be. There's a tunnel down there. We're going to go down and see if that's the way what leads us to the bottom of this car tunnel just here. Can't see through them trees and that hidden car down there. Look, another TV. They really didn't like to go into the recycle. There's a whole steering column over there. See it? Just there. Like half a car sitting here. Right. Back axle sitting down there. Fucking, I'm always slipping. Right. See where. Better get my torches on really, ain't I?
Well, you don't want to get down the first bit first, eh? Because I don't know where all the graffiti is.
Yes, all graffiti will down there, not that one.
We have bigger torches this time. Yes. Hang on. Back in there. We just went through some big water thing. It's frozen my feet. That was cold. See the old tracks that used to come through here, like the mine carts. Here we go. Hang on. Oh, look at that drop to your left. Whee. I'm coming down the edge of this.
Right at the bottom.
That drop. Yeah, I'll do that down that ledge again. Look at this ledge at the side here.
No, that's not the way they go.
That's not, is it?
They go all the way to the end and then start going down.
I'm gonna get my big torch out soon. I just didn't want too much in my hand at once. Fucking, that is a drop down there though. Give this a pause. Put my trousers back down now. Now we're going back to slide. Yes, please. Hold that for us, please. Steve-O, recording. Say hello if you want.
Hi.
Nice one. Do you want to end? If you go further, that's it. Get your torch. I'll go back to the...
Why?
Left, yeah? So we go like that and then, I don't know, let's look.
Well, we've got to get down to that graffiti, haven't we?
Yeah.
So if you're down this little road
Yeah,
just here, down that ledge there, and downwards. It's just,
Yeah, look.
we've got to
I'll
make
follow
sure
this.
we go, come back
I'll
up.
follow their ropes.
Alright, I have to put this in my pocket now.
That's going to get us most of the way down, look.
Jamie, wait a minute.
Not too far.
We've come from, do your torch upwards, Jamie. We've already come from up there, along this ledge, down that ledge, down this one. Now we're on this one. We've still got to go down there.
About halfway.
We're about halfway to getting down whatever's down that bit.
Taking good time, though.
Yes, it's an adventure, isn't it, boy? Yes. Right, let me pause. Got to this bit from all the way up there.
I don't see it being the other way.
What the fuck, what going on?
We've got to follow this hose.
Set down that hose.
But I wouldn't use it because it's just held in by a rock. They said that on the video.
So I'd lay it down.
I think they
Use
just
that hose.
climbed.
But if me and Damo hold it in case like it snaps.
Who's going to hold it for the last person or for when we're climbing back up?
Right, we're just
Oh,
gonna
Joe, look. Or,
goes down there into that tunnel there. Look. Yeah.
Look,
Right, we've got to figure out how we're getting down here, so we've got to
I'll
put this
trust
down
the hose.
again. Yeah, you go first then. We've got down, all the way down, from all the way up there. We've got to get back up, yeah. Raymond, shine it down there, Steve. Yes. Now this
one of
is
these side bits.
much better. Love it. Oh, look at that chain. That's one of them torches, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was a light.
That's mad where we are. Right,
Stupid fucking graffiti.
just pause for a minute.
this is
Getting closer, down more tunnels, oh, more water too. Getting quite fun this. Just keep going further down. We actually feel like a bloody miner now. Oh, look at all these rafts.
Damo,
Yeah.
we're here.
Oh, we're here.
Oh shit. Yo, look how much your light's doing. Oh, there's one here still. You want to go for a swim?
Hang on, shine your torch over there. That's the pile of cars.
You got yours on the wires?
No.
Done it, boyos.
So, who's
Done
trusting
it.
this? It's still got air in it. Who's trusting that?
Look at the lagoon.
It's over there. You reckon it's still there? Oh, I do want to go over to the car.
Look at that.
What?
Little blue lagoon.
Is the
And
water
over
blue?
there, I don't know if we're going to make it over there or not because we've just found somebody else's water raft.
That water ain't looking so greeny blue. You know?
That water hasn't been moved.
You got no way of. How are you going to paddle over there, Joe?
Can you,
How am I
there's a
gonna paddle-
stick there.
How am I
so
going
you
to
can
paddle
make-
back?
Look, someone else has done what I said. Look, the old waterbed. Hey, don't lose it.
What? You
You
getting
could
in it?
use it.
I don't know.
Go on then, if you get in it.
Look, pump it up from there.
With what? Yeah, but look at this water. It don't look as mucky as everyone makes
Go
up.
for it then.
Huh?
Go for it.
No.
Shut up then.
You
I
can
might,
also like,
I might.
do it.
I might. Let me just think about what I'm doing first.
Why?
Going over to it. We're going to have a look at it.
Is
We've
that?
got in this thing.
I can check if it's solid or not, or push it out of the way, or push us away, or Damo, you push this and I'll pedal. Where's the slate? It's that.
Give you it.
Oh yeah.
Right, you need to look where we're going. Ooh, there's a big tyre there. Hang on,
Don't want to hit
let's
that.
turn around.
Heavy on
Right,
this.
now direct us that way. We're in now. Hang on, let me flip it round.
Oh shit, we're going towards the wall. you got that rope? Should we just chill here for a minute?
Hang on, I want to get closer.
I'm getting all this water
Have
on
a
my
look,
hand.
take the torch and see what's in the water now. So I'll try and steer with this thing here. Take the torch and see what's in front of us.
There's nothing sticking out. There's something there.
You can turn round and have a look.
No, that's just off the packet. We're good. There's nothing underneath us.
Look, we've brought the other boat just in case.
If we start sinking, we'll just get pulled in quick.
We hope. Your dad will be there laughing at us.
There's an oar out there. Oh, damn it. Oh, is that an oar there? As soon as we find one of them,
Oh!
Ah! What the fuck?
I went to turn it to go that way.
Oh, that's all in my hair, man.
Alright, let me put this down a minute.
Really?
We made it over the lagoon. In that.
Can you see better now that we're over it?
Let's have a look at these cars now.
Huh?
Look at that old girl. Look, all the way up there.
Huh?
There's that triangle. Remember at the start?
Paddle? We found the yellow paddle.
Pull it back to you.
Much easier getting over. Do you not see us?
Oh, look at that, an old Capri. Let's get over. Hang on, I want to watch my footing. Is that a Granada or a Capri? I'm sure that's a Capri.
Huh?
But the Granada done that roof, poly roof, or whatever they call it. Wow. We actually made it to the actual car cave. Let's take a few shots. Shine it over there. Shine it over there. Yeah, that's it, over there. Bit further, like towards your dad. Here. Here it is. I think we're up there somewhere because there's the triangle with the wheel. And we must have come in up there somewhere.
We found the yellow paddle.
Yeah, got a paddle as well. Oh, sword. What? No. Nothing.
Sword?
Sword, I'm looking.
Sword. They put
Oh,
it
look
up
at
here
the
somewhere.
look at the waterfall bit.
Where is it?
Someone's took it, the thieving bastards.
sure?
Of course they have.
Didn't they put it like up?
What's down here? So just... I would climb up there, but I just don't trust it. Look over here. Look, they dumped everything in here, didn't they? Look, there's a car hanging there. Jane, pass that torch over here, bruv. Let's get some. Bring it over.
Okay.
Look at that old steering wheel. I wonder how long this car's been here. Yeah, pass that. Wheels. Look at that lagoon. The car upside down over there. The old British Racing Green one, look. There's some sort of mini at the back there. Whoa, what am I standing on?
Yeah, you be careful because if that
Yeah.
collapses.
I'll be alright. Right, hold that for us while I take a few pics of this. Shine it the way you're doing it now. That's awesome.
Hang on, I can put it on a higher power, right?
Yeah, put it on as high as you can. Ah, yeah, keep it there.
That's a nice picture.
I've got a mini, I think, just there.
I'd love to check
I
every
think that
single
one's a
one.
Cortina. It could be the Granada though, because of the roofing. I remember my granddad having one similar.
Who sells that tire?
Let's see with the fridge down here. Should we get up there?
Potato!
What, it actually got a flipping thing from there?
This is a sick picture over here. Are you sure you don't want to come over here?
I think you should come over, Steve.
That was a safe journey. You're not falling in. I'll come with you. Well, come on, man. You have to come over here. Look how old these cars are. Care?
I found it. I found the guy. I did what I wanted to do.
Oh, man.
Oh, I'm buzzing. How the hell did they get them down from up there, man? It's nuts, isn't it? Just a random pile of cars. How far does that ledge go out?
I wouldn't trust it in case it's slipped in.
I just want to see if I can get some better shots down there. Bring that torch over here. Put it on top of here or something.
You know when we go back?
Jamie, bring that torch over here.
Hang on, let me get down to you. You get a better picture.
Look at them cars in there, look.
There's loads down there, look.
Look. Jeez.
Oh, my phone won't pick that up.
Sorry, get it off mine. Oh, let me focus.
That's a nice view.
Yeah, do that again for us. So I can get that car. Yeah, he'll pick that up.
These lamps are so good to see.
They are, aren't they?
Look, you can see all the way up to the top of the ceiling.
See how blue the sky still is out there? Yeah, baby.
Freedom.
Last time we went out and it was pitch bloody black. And we didn't find it. Right, you have to pause for safety reasons.
Oh, hey, don't pull it. Don't pull it. I want to try and get back there.
Going over the Green Lagoon. That was awesome. I'm well happy with that. Might not be happy trying to get back out of this thing though. But I'll tell you what, we got over in some quick time.
Yeah, back in quick time. Look, we're back.
We're back. Leave this up for the next crew.
All aboard. Are you sure you don't want to go over there?
Alright, this is alright, Steve-O. Let me get off this thing. That's how we're going to leave it. Leave the oar in there so someone else can give it a go with the other boats.
Why didn't you not pull your trousers?
Going over that way.
Still would have got wet.
Alright. Go through the tunnels again. Ah, bless on these new torches. Good shout, Steve-O.
Bully. Still with your on the back of the road.
Yeah, I've got backup torches.
You saw this line?
Yeah, why not? We're already down there.
Let's go. Put that marker there. Oh look, that's there though. We'll remember that.
We only need a marker to split off of it.
Yeah. Looks like an old ladder that, doesn't it? Hey, and found another waterfall. It's part of the sleepers for the track, isn't it? Same as down there, you can see where all the sleepers were. Back down there. I think we're going back up, aren't we? Oh, this is a new bit. I think we've got to go that ledge. Let's go up that bit and have a look, straight up.
Block 2.
We'll have a
Oh no. Flying
break.
Someone down the boat. Down the boat. Ooh. Haven't it for weeks.
Let's drop down there. Just thought we'd sit on this ledge, have a break.
Right.
Still more to go.
You imagine going down there?
Don't I?
Yeah, improvising.
No?
Look at that drop.
You drop it in the water, you're fucked.
I'm definitely hugging the side on here.
I'm going to hold it, but I'm just going to have it hanging.
Look at the torch now. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd rather do this over a fucking building any day.
I agree. I do agree. I've enjoyed this one a lot more than a lot of the buildings we do. But we have been in some interesting places too. But this is tops it as one of my favourites. Where did we come from? Why did we come from down there?
Yeah,
No, we was going upwards.
that's the way we went.
Yeah, we just
into
walked
the
over
fucking-
there to smoke.
We just come up here to chill.
Ah, yes, yes. Do not follow me. Hang on, let me get a picture of that.
I wouldn't do that.
I'll tell you what, these torches.
Where's my phone?
Goes down there. But obvious.
Oh, back into the water.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Back into the water. Oh,
shit.
man.
Oh man, I have to put wet. Shit, this goes up to your knees and
It's
everything.
alright.
It's not when you got wet.
Get the pasty whiteys out.
It's not the pasty whiteys on. Look at your French sticks.
Hey! At least they're not chicken
Right,
legs.
2 minutes.
Oh no!
Shit. This is the bit at the start, and it's brutally cold.
There's no point in avoiding it.
Well, how else are we getting out? Can't avoid it. But you'll hear it in my voice in a minute.
Might as well get
We should have brought that bloody dinghy.
And oh damn! We could just put road along here.
Surfed a lot. Yeah, you gotta remember, you're wearing wellies, man. I got Timberlands on, what only go up to my ankles.
This is cold.
Ooh. Oh, where's that ledge? I'm getting frostbite. Oh, seriously.
Don't take your time. It makes it worse.
Yeah, that ledge. Let my feet warm up.
Do it again, man. I ain't sticking around.
Don't care, I'm waiting a sec.
Oh my god.
That hurts. That like really
This is
cold. Why? Right. It gets deep here. I remember rightly. Yeah.
There's a beer in the bottom. Oh my god.
Oh, I just nearly went down the bloody hole. You can tell how deep it is when there's a floating TV.
Oh god, oh, Mama's landing. Out.
Go on, Jerry. It's getting cold again. Woo! Ah. What?
It's snowing.
We managed to find our way out of there. Down there. Got cold feet. How's your feet?
Not the best.
Don't recommend it. Take wellies if you're going to go down there. We're going to have a look around and see if there's any more.
Some dungaree.
Yes. How beautiful is that? Not me, obviously, but... Go a bit further, see what else we can see. We're going to go at the track we went up to the first time round, because we quite enjoyed that little rabbit run. So we're going to try there and have a look, see what's going on. Look at how beautiful that is. That little slate village there. Can have another look at a different bit. Look at that. A bit sketchy here. Couldn't see this last time. Look at that hole down there.
To go down there.
Whee! I couldn't even see down there. I was over there somewhere.
That's what I'm saying. You couldn't see anything.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the ledge.
Oh, fucking snake. And I was like, yeah, what you think?
Ain't it, man? We would have had to call for help.
Look at that. Another tunnel. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a bit more water down here somewhere, isn't there?
Hang on.
You can't leave your trousers here. What if that guy comes and like can nick my energy drink?
I reckon that's why I struggled getting back up in it as well. There's one there fucking restricted. You stay there.
Bloody water caves. This one ain't so bad. So I'm putting my trousers up a bit more. Oh, this one ain't that bad at all actually, considering how cold the other one was. That's better. Because we've got to go up and over, haven't we?
I remember it now.
Whew, it's a tight spot for me. I'm only fucking 12 stone.
Go.
The ladder. The rope. I wonder what that was.
Spooky vibes.
seen somebody down there.
Hello?
They're following us, bro. This is going to be tricky with fucking the right reach.
Yeah, I think I'm going to pause this for a moment while we make our way up there. Just come from down there, all the way up. Team's up here. Now we've got to get this little ladder. Got some excellent lighting. Yes. Right. Let's get at this bit, next bit. You all right up there, kid?
You good or do you want to stay in there?
Attempting to mark our way so we don't get lost.
What about this? It's less sharp.
Steve thinks of everything.
Pointing that way, yeah.
Nice big chalk there. Donated by Steve-O's children. Keep us safe. It's just chalk, it'll wash off in the moisture. We didn't want to bring spray paint or anything. It's an arrow out because we've got one and we've got two. And we don't know which way we're going to go. I think to the left.
I'm pretty sure.
We went that way.
We've come to another crossroads.
Right. Which way are we going?
Somebody marked it with a stone, didn't they?
Me? I don't know where.
It was over there when I done it.
Huh?
Put an arrow there, yeah. There's rope going this way. Boys,
Yeah, we're just marking up, aren't we?
then we follow this way because we followed the rope.
We can go anywhere as long as we put arrows. Oh yeah, we did go this way. And this takes us down to the
Whee,
scaffold.
look at that drop there.
And it takes us to the scaffold.
Remember when we was here last time?
That is a very steep.
We went down that bit down there, didn't we? Down the end, and we went that slipped down that slide bit. I'm sure we did. We'll find out in a moment.
I can't see it. It's fucking... Right, there we go.
That's the way down.
Look at that shit. I've got a video of it.
Gonna do some skiing now. Let's see.
Probably bang joy again, you fucking empty.
You done
Oh,
what?
we're going back down here.
Again. Huh?
Going back down here.
This is the way we went, isn't it? This is the way it's
Oh
right.
yeah, it was long, wasn't it? It was like, oh, do we want to go back?
This is where I started going. I feel like the hobbits. Oh, these torches have made a massive difference.
Standard.
Down we go.
Massive difference.
You've got to keep an eye on your charge, isn't it?
One's on 4 still.
I ain't had mine on long.
You've got 4 or 5 dots on it, isn't it? Make sure you ain't got it on white.
Oh, still made it down the slippery slope.
We've got a fucking big good talk light soon.
Whee!
There it is.
That led us up to the side of the mountain, didn't it?
Yeah. It was like fuzzy, we'll go back.
And then we come back, and I wanted to go, didn't I?
Yeah.
And we ended up staying and going down there.
So which way are we going?
Down there, isn't it?
We're down.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That leads us back up to the side of that mountain, doesn't it?
Alright, let me get a good grip before I fucking... Right, heading down on the sketchy rope. Can't see behind me. Let's go.
It's not bad, just
I went down forward last
Yeah, I'll put that stick away, man.
Just put it back.
I'm good. I'm good.
Put it forward.
I'm all right.
Going downwards.
I've
So-
tied mine to my
As soon as you get to a certain bit.
And this, look, I'm tying it to my first big.
Hey, get off my rope while I'm on it.
All three of us went down there. Alright. I don't think my lamps going anywhere from my
Right. Let me pause this a minute.
Right?
Here they come.
All three of us went down. Down on top of it.
Sort of. I've still got a little bit of a slip weight. You alright there, Jamie?
You alright, Jay? You alright? Are you okay? Yeah. Dickhead.
Yeah. We go left, we go right. Here comes Jimmy. Don't this make you feel like the Goonies? No train tracks. There's a cable here as well. I had to pause a couple of times just to wait for this one.
Hey, I'm being careful with this lamp. Keep knocking it with the rope.
Which way are we going first? That way had a big ledge, if I'm right.
Huh?
I'm sure this one had a big ledge. You good?
Yes.
Let's go.
Where you want to go, Jay?
What?
Left or right?
What me choose? Which way did we go last time?
I don't know, I think we went both ways, but I can't remember what's what.
I reckon we go that way.
Let's go that way.
Hey, look, there's one of our foot. No, we didn't have the other foot. That's the way.
Another bit of rope to go down. See what's down there. Do we trust them? But here we go. How dark it is, I don't have my torch. Oh, they're slipping slide already. Definitely slipping and
Oh, push
sliding.
me down.
You're gonna be a bowling ball.
And
Down some stairs. Some stone stairs. There's some flipping breeze coming from this side, though. I'm just trying to work out where Jamie is. Like, is there
there's a
enough?
tunnel. There's a tunnel this way.
Is there enough for three of us down where you are?
Yeah, if I get out of the way. Hang on.
Yeah, I think you should.
There's a tunnel that way.
That's good then.
Oh, fuck that.
Fuck off.
Fuck off. Is there more steps?
No, not this way. It's down there.
Down there. Let's have a look.
I ain't going down them way. Not
I
about
thought you went down this.
Oh, I'm gonna have to be. Oh, there is as well. Look.
This is a dead end.
Sounds it.
Oh wait, no. Yeah.
Be careful because that looks like a landslide bit there. Go back up, Steve. Mate. Looks like we're going through the other tunnel over where the rope is. Or down.
Down.
Down. Well, they're there for a reason, aren't they?
Yeah, but the other stairs are sketchy enough.
We got
We've
them.
got to remember, we've got to get back up. Actually, we've got the water hook. Oh,
We trying that tunnel there.
I don't know, you know, that's just a normal road.
I don't even look like proper rope.
no. We need to go scope it out. Oh.
Where are we actually sliding to if we do slide down?
There's nothing like
Yeah.
we've got them steps to get back up if one of us has slip. You just slide on.
Believe it or not, it's still going through. Look at all that. All the different colours in the rocks. See where the sleepers used to go. And they used to have the little tracks, carts would pull. Oh no. Here we go again. Let me just pull my bleeding legs up. It's not as deep, but I'm glad I bought a spare. The shoes and socks. Oh, here we go again. Flooding out the shoes. Boots. Yeah, now it's starting to come through. Oh, see daylight. Yay! Oh, my feet can bloody dry. These torches really make a difference. And that really is the end of the car cave. We managed it. Definitely a success this time. Tap drop down there. Whee. Beautiful though, turn these torches off. Nice little one way to get out of here. Last time we came here, we had to come out into pitch black. And we did not see that drop just there. We knew there was a drop, but we didn't know it was that bleeding far. Oh, here will go my phone. Doo-doo. Oh, look at that. Ow. Nope, that comes to the end of that one. Actually found the cars in the car cave. I'm actually quite happy with that. I even managed to get over there. All this here, absolutely stunning, free, and not obstacle free. But cheers for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Team are over there somewhere. There they are. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And leave a comment if you want. And thanks for watching.